Hello dear learners, today we'll be discussing one of the literary forms, couplet. Couplets. The definition of couplet is, a couplet is a pair of lines of verse. It usually consists of two lines that rhyme and have the same meter. Couplets with a meter of iambic pentameter are called heroic couplets that we'll be discussing later on with examples. Couplet poems are hence the first step for anyone to start writing poetry. These are some of the examples of rhyming couplets. As we have already told, a couplet is formed by two lines of verse that rhyme at the ends. And here are some couplets like, winter is my favorite season, I love to skate, so that's the reason. So here season and reason, they rhyme together. So these two lines, they are called couplet. Second example, deep in the forest there lives an old bear. If you go hiking, you'd better beware. So here bear and beware, they are rhyming. Someday perhaps we'll have fast flying cars to take us new places, even to Mars. So here in this example, cars and Mars, they are rhyming. The heroic couplet, as I already told you, heroic couplets are rhyming couplets that are written in iambic pentameter. So here are the examples of heroic couplets. Then share thy pain, allow that sad relief. Ah, more than share it, give me all thy grief. Be not the first by whom the new are tried, nor yet the last to lay the old aside. These two are the examples of heroic couplet, and we should remember the fact that iambic pentameter is 5 sets of iambs per line. Like here, D-A-D-U-M, 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 D-A-D-U-M. The iambic pentameter. Thank you.